always balance present in your account, then also it is not, you are not correct person. You have money, you are paying. But let us say, definitely by 10th you are depositing money, it means you are honest. Got the point? So machine learning algorithm learns out of pattern. It suggests these 10 people you recommend this card, these people you never recommend the card, these people, that's how it goes. So remember that huge of data machine learning is in the background, it is there in the society. Okay? Yeah. Go to next. Okay. Now what I am suggesting, further you search reputed university pages. You go to IIT Mumbai, IIT Bangalore, or NITs and all. See what kind of projects their professors are doing. You see foreign university projects and all. That is one way to find a better research problem. Then next, search on the web with keyword research problem and give the field. Okay, and I think you know Google simple trick. You put in double quotes, it search the same way. Okay, so this one, you know, research problem signal processing, research problem image processing, research problem speech processing, like that. Look at recent UGC AICTE sponsored projects. I don't know how many of you read that, but I keep doing. I keep searching on the web. What kind of projects are usually sponsored to academicians by these government bodies? Okay. Now look at that. Now next, one more thing which I wanted to say, which is not available here. I think in a different presentation. I put it here. You go to you type in the Google expression of interest. This is an industry word you might have not heard. You know, expression of interest, DRDO, ISRO, you know, ECAL, then these kind of organizations, there is a grey area of problem. They are not sure who can implement that. Then what they do, they don't publish as a tender. I think you know what is a tender. So already I know that this can be implemented, but I want to know which private company can do it, you know, at a, what's called a reasonable price. Then I call for a tender, look at who is the lawyer, I award the tender to him. That's a different thing. Then you type in the Google expression of interest DRDO. Then you will get to see what kind of problems DRDO is publishing under expression of interest category. What does expression of interest mean? They are not sure who can make it. They don't know how to do it, but they broadly know this is what needs to be done. Recently, I can share one of, because I will be putting a lot of tenders to the DRDO and all, so that's how I know. Around 2-3 months before, CVRD, Center for Vehicle Research Development, something like that. Which makes these war tanks and all, they have given one expression of interest. What they said, you know, an image processing setup which can actually detect far 4 km, 5 km, some small objects and can inform to the person who will need to fire the bomb, something like that. So expression of interest is usually state of the art technology. That's a way, and it will be good if you pick up such kind of problem because you can put up a proposal to them. That's why CVRD has put a expression of interest and image processing for a gun firing system. It's worth that you do 1 or 2 months study, send a mail or fax to the concerned engineer, because in that document anyhow the undersigned person will be there. I am an academic researcher, I know how to solve this, can we do a joint collaborative research? Now there is a necessity. See, simply you go and ask the DRDO, sir, give me a research project here, you have to find who has got necessity, isn't it? So they need it, and nobody in the company is coming out. So better let us depend on somebody who is coming out. Okay? Yeah. Go to next. Done? Okay.